So I wanted to give a little synopsis of this WL. I wasn't expecting to get this, so I've got like 4 other reviews I kind of put on hold. One is, the Remo, and then the all the other little 116s, and I got some other cars coming in. But I did a speed run. You'll see that after this. I've got about 3 hours worth of footage today. I burned up 6 batteries in this thing, and 2S and 3S and all different combinations, and then plus ran a bunch of other ones. I'm gonna try and get that out, but that's a lot of footage to go through just to get a couple minutes. So I'll probably do some best bits, but I wanted to talk about it a little bit. This thing is freaking awesome, man. I attribute it to like my first time I got the WL144001. That feeling when you're driving it, it's like, man, it's just something's right about it, you know. And that's the brushed version. The brushless I didn't care for as much with the 1.4 series. What I want to say though is, let me get this battery out of there. So, I mean, we smashed it pretty good. We jumped it pretty good. I haven't taken it to the skate park yet. We did a speed run. Like I said, you'll see that at the end of this, and plus a little montage or something that I could throw together. I do like my Dumbo better than the stock, but for $110 right now, I mean, these things are $110, $120. My suggestion is to look for the, this is a 13 mil. Look for the 20. It's actually a cheaper buy from what I'm seeing. The 13 mils are 117 and 120, and I've seen a bunch at 110. But it's so fun. It just felt right on the track. It felt right on the grass, even with these tires, and I wasn't real fond of them the first day. We want to apologize about the crappy running footage on the first two, but I was rushing to get those out. I just wanted people to see what I was seeing. It's kind of sloppy, this is what we did, you know, my daughter running the first day. So, but I'll get some good shorter clips coming out real soon, and some skate park footage. Want to talk about the actual car itself. The only thing I had happen was this sway bar popped off, and the dog bone popped out. But once I popped it back in, it worked fine. I did note on my track, it runs way better on 2S. It's just too much power on 3S, unless you dial it down, which you might as well just use a 2S then. So this thing is awesome on 3S, but on my little track, 2S is much more controllable, and you got a lot more control and finesse. Think this motor can be stronger. If you're going to go 2S, you bump it up, but with 3S, there's plenty of juice to go around. So anything else? I don't know. I was thinking about getting a second one, so my daughter and I both having to rip, because we both had so much fun. You should see the smile on her face. Anyways, I want to keep this one kind of short and get right into the speed trial. Now, I am going to say on the speed run, the 3S, the battery wasn't fully charged, so it didn't get the top speed I was expecting. I'm probably going to do another speed run with a fresh battery later in the week, and I do have a 3S with a higher seed count coming, so maybe I'll just wait for that and do one with 2 or 3 different batteries and see what kind of difference I can get with just batteries. In terms of upgrades, I don't think this needs anything. I don't think anything on it needs repairs. I got a feeling it's going to be a good basher. All in all, I dig it, man. I really do dig it. I can't say enough. I will say I'm probably, if they do make some metal upgrades for these parts underneath, I do that. Now, this car I wouldn't say is necessarily track worthy. It's definitely a basher queen, because you can't set the droop, so you're not going to have that kind of control you have with like the smaller 114s or even the 124007. So you are going to have that, but like this controller, the only thing I don't like about it is it doesn't hold the phone. It controlled fine. It worked fine. So I'm probably going to use that on another build and keep the slot open for the Dumbo for this, because Dumbo's just got better range, you know. Number 1 and 2, I got a phone holder that works. See the one I made. So that one works good. Anyways, I think we'll end it right about there. Enjoy what the speed run and all that, and hopefully you like and subscribe. And again, I apologize. The first 2 videos I rushed out just to get some video footage out on this car because it was so new, and I knew that everybody was itching to see something. But I'll get some better stuff. I got a bunch of other videos I'm working on, so I'm working. I got just a little update on this too while we're at it. That's the 114 build I'm doing right now, the custom. It's coming out real good. It's carbon fiber base. I don't have much on it yet. It's just the servo and stuff, but keep your eye out for that. That's coming soon. Anyways, like and subscribe and all that, and I hope you enjoy the little clip at the end. Peace. All right, so we're going to do a speed run on the new WL. This battery's not fully charged. It's been used a little today. All right, it read it. I'll turn. So the town parking lot. This is 3S. Ooh, under the cars no less. So that's 30 miles an hour. 37 is what we're looking for. But this isn't a fully juiced car, so let's see where we're at. 31.2. That's not bad. Again, this isn't a fresh battery, so probably with fresh battery, you know, these are only 25C as well. It'll probably hit there. It's well within reason. So let's get it reset, and we'll get a 2S battery in there. So we're going to use the standard WL 2S 7.4. You know, we'll reset this back to 0. Still got our signal. My daughter's gonna run this one so I can film a little better. Oh, where'd my clips go? Dang it, I'm always losing those things. And I definitely think 3S we can get a little faster. We'll give it another shot tomorrow or the next day but this is, is what it is. This is when I'm here. My battery's not quite fully charged. All right, so 2S. Give it just a little squirt to see if you want. Yep, go ahead. We're at 1 mile an hour. So, just to make sure. That was close to my feet, you know.
I was more paying attention to the curve.
Yeah, I don't blame you. I went under mommy's or grandma's car in a town car. That's garbage. So yeah, I think it didn't reset. 24.6. That makes sense. I was figuring 25. So 2S, you know, 25C. You're getting 24.6. That's not bad at all. On the track, I like 2S better. Under that 30. So I'll give it another spin with the 3S once I get her fully charged and see if anything's different. But I don't know. I got enough information for me. See you when I see you.